We cannot effectively be fathers, hear me, men. We cannot effectively be fathers without understanding our Father. And so, as I said earlier, that some of us don't have an earthly example of a father, but when we look at the Heavenly Father, then we're able to get a pattern, if you will, or we're able to get a system or principles in order to lead our family. And so in order to be a godfather, you need Joseph had a blended family. He was not the biological father of Jesus. But watch this. He helped in the nurturing and the raising of Jesus. And so, brothers, let me help y'all with something. You may not be the biological father of that girl. You may not be the biological father of that boy, but there is something that's in you. It is innate that's in you as a man that can help a child get to the place. Train up a child in the way that they should go, so that when they are old, they will not what? Depart from it. It is our job, hear this, men, that we train up. There is something that God put in a man that a woman cannot develop in a child. God help me. It is the man's job in order to drop those principles on that son or on that daughter, to bring the values to the son and the daughter. Mama, yes, she's doing a good job, but she will never take the place of a father. That's why it's so important that even if baby dad is jacked up, that we find somebody that can help pour vision and pour value and structure and principles in. Can I talk to your parents that when we are making our decisions, that we are keeping our children in mind? Because whatever decision we are making today to get in debt, whatever it is, that our children have to deal with it. Financial stewardship. Fathers, our children should see us tithing. They should see us saving, avoiding debt, getting some insurance. Shame on us if we say, well, I'm going to be dead, so I don't need to get none. Long they can bury me. No. You should want to leave an inheritance for your family. Even to that sister that said, you know, Pastor, I ain't got no husband, so really this mess really don't do nothing for me. Yes, it does. Because when the joker comes, line him up with this word. If he don't line up this word, I don't care if he's got bow legs, paratoes, if he don't line up with the word, hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. No cookies or nothing. No more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. You have less drama if you're making sure that he's lining himself up with the word.